guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Dazzlin, and here on my channel I make travel and hair care content that's meant to make your life easier through my life experiences. If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video. Guys, I am in Capri. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Guys, look at this view. It's giving. It looks like a Microsoft screensaver background. Oh my god. I just can't believe I'm here. If you haven't, make sure to go check out the rest of my Italy series where I go to Sorrento, Amalfi, and Capri. I take you along, show you all of my accommodations, all of my experience vlogs, and I give you all the tea and information that you need to know to make your Euro summer trip the best trip ever. If you guys have any questions at all, definitely let me know in the comments below. But let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to be staying for the next 4 days in Capri. For my first stop in Anacapri, which is a town right outside of main Capri, up the hill on the edge of the cliff, I stayed at the Hotel San Michele. It was absolutely gorgeous. The decor, the location, the service, the food, the overall ambiance. It gave me everything that I needed and absolutely exceeded our expectations. The property has a lot of space, and at the time that I went to Italy, the occupancy was pretty low to medium occupancy, which was great because we didn't feel it was crowded or there was too many people on top of us at any time. If anything, it was very private, which was great. One of the things that I loved about the Hotel San Michele is that it actually had this very old vintage Victorian type of decor and style, which definitely transported you to a different time and made you feel like you were back in the olden days, which I love. It was definitely giving vacation fantasy. The front desk reception walked me up all the way to my room, and this is my room in Anacapri. So basically you have all of your basic necessities. You have a twin bed, you have a refrigerator, phone, TV, but the most beautiful part of this room and of this property was the view from my balcony. Absolutely breathtaking, and all I heard all hours of the day were beautiful hummingbirds, quiet. It was perfect, more than I could ask for. And this was the bathroom. One thing that I would say is the bathroom is a little bit smaller than I would have liked, nothing that I'm not used to or can work around. Usually bathrooms in Europe, or at least the ones that I have used in accommodations and hotels, tend to be on the smaller side. But other than that, everything met my expectations. Good morning, guys. So it is day 2 in Capri. I literally woke up like an hour ago, went down to have breakfast. Breakfast was really good here in the hotel. So definitely, like, if you are worried about like, oh, where are we gonna eat breakfast? Is it included? The hotel has amazing breakfast, so I highly recommend. Bed was comfy. Everything has been pretty clean. The service and the hotel staff were actually really nice. So far so good. I definitely recommend. I'm not gonna lie, this bed is so comfy. You guys are probably like, why is she laying down? But I like to make my reviews and like my vlogs like really real. You know what I mean? I just literally like woke up and I'm like, let me just talk to them real quick. And this bed is really comfy. So I think that's something that's really important. Like when you're looking for a hotel or somewhere you're staying, like you wanna know that you're gonna be comfortable. I'm not trying to move right now. Like I'm looking at the view and I'm just like, oh, it's so beautiful outside. I'm stuck. But at least that's a good sign, because when the hotel bed is like not good, it just like sucks. If anything, that is a plus for this hotel. 10 out of 10 so far. So now I will be showing you guys the pool area. So if you go through the hotel back hallway, it actually leads to the back where they have their private pool that is connected and available for the San Michele guests, which is open from 9 a.m. all the way up until 7 p.m. But to be totally transparent, I actually ended up going to the pool and it seemed like it was open later after hours. Even some nights when I would come back from the main town, they would be having events here as well. They have a food station, they have umbrellas, they have tables, so you can come here to chill, you can come here to take a class, or you could just come here to relax. And another cool part of the San Michele is actually that they have their own private disco where they sometimes have live music, in bar, and parties. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Most importantly, make sure to go check out the rest of my Italy series. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.